Back to pole number 2. See how this works. Maybe I won't lose it. So I got my gaff hook longer so I don't have to reach as far. Extended it. And I'm not going to let go of my pole unless it's right there, inside that, where that sucker can't take off. Oh, that's the most embarrassing thing I ever did. But if I catch this one without losing my fishing pole, I'll call it good. Hold back to the dock. Hopefully this is a halibut. It didn't bite like the last one. It could be a stupid skate. Not really biting like the last one did. Last one I freaking running. Chilling around behind through the line. Yeah, that's probably a stupid skate. Blogged on. Here are these. Lazy piece of crap. Well, maybe it is a halibut. Yeah, it is. It's not going. That's why I lost the pole last time I tried to do this. Battle. Geez, it's been a good day on fishing poles today. Woo. Ugh, crap. Good thing the fishing pole is only 25 bucks on sale. I guess I'll have to get another one. Whew. A rough day in the fishing neighborhood. Yeah, a little bit of blood, snapped the tip off the pole. But good side is, got that son of a bitch. Over and out.